Hey guys, fall is here. It is starting to get chilly out. I'm outside today with Chloe and we're gonna finish up getting the rest of the wood inside before it starts getting too cold to want to come outside and do this. We got this much wood left. I just finished doing another load. I just wanted to make a video just to kind of say hey and just to show you guys how we kind of prepare for the winter here. So I just posted my last video of the camping trip. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was a lot of fun. It definitely is beautiful up there. Well, you guys take care. I'm gonna finish loading this wood. God bless. See you soon in the Philippines where it's a lot warmer than this. All right, bye.